Introduction to winter survival in insects. Insects face significant challenges during winter, a season that can be harsh and unforgiving for these small creatures. Their survival strategies are diverse, reflecting the wide range of environments in which they live. To cope with cold temperatures and scarcity of resources, insects employ various adaptive techniques to ensure their survival through the winter months. Hibernation and diapause. Many insects undergo a period of dormancy to survive winter. This state, known as diapause, is a type of hibernation that allows insects to pause their development and metabolic activities. Diapause can occur at different life stages, including eggs, larvae, pupae, or adults, depending on the species. During diapause, insects enter a state of reduced physiological activity, which helps them conserve energy and endure unfavorable conditions. Behavioral adaptations. Some insects use behavioral strategies to avoid the harsh winter conditions. Certain species migrate to warmer climates, a strategy observed in insects like monarch butterflies. These insects travel thousands of miles to find more suitable habitats where temperatures are milder and food sources are available. Migration helps them avoid the extreme cold and ensures their survival until the weather becomes more favorable. Physical adaptations. Insects have evolved various physical adaptations to withstand low temperatures. One common adaptation is the production of cryoprotectants, substances that prevent ice formation within their bodies. These chemicals, such as glycerol and antifreeze proteins, help insects maintain fluidity in their bodily fluids and protect their cells from damage caused by freezing temperatures. Some insects also have specialized structures or behaviors to minimize heat loss, such as seeking shelter in insulated environments. Shelter and microhabitats. Finding suitable shelter is crucial for many insects during winter. Some insects seek refuge in insulated microhabitats, such as under leaf litter, in soil, or within tree bark. These shelters provide protection from the elements and help maintain a more stable microclimate. Insects like beetles and spiders may burrow into the ground or hide in crevices to avoid the extreme cold and preserve their body heat. Adaptations in life cycle timing. Insects may also adapt their life cycles to align with seasonal changes. Some species synchronize their development so that they enter diapause at the onset of winter and resume activity in the spring. This timing ensures that insects emerge at a time when environmental conditions are more favorable for feeding and reproduction. By aligning their life cycle with seasonal changes, insects optimize their chances of survival and reproduction. Use of natural antifreeze. Certain insects produce natural antifreeze proteins that lower the freezing point of their bodily fluids. These proteins, produced in response to cold temperatures, prevent ice crystals from forming inside their cells, which can cause damage and death. By maintaining their bodily fluids in a liquid state, these insects can survive extreme cold and reinitiate normal activities once temperatures rise. Interaction with microorganisms. Insects also interact with microorganisms that aid in their survival during winter. For example, some insects host symbiotic bacteria that help them digest food and produce compounds that enhance their ability to withstand cold temperatures. These microorganisms can play a supportive role in the insect's winter survival strategy by improving their overall resilience and adaptability. Impact of climate change. Climate change is affecting insect survival strategies by altering the duration and intensity of winter conditions. Warmer winters may lead to changes in the timing of diapause, migration patterns, and reproductive cycles. These shifts can impact insect populations and ecosystems, as insects play crucial roles in pollination, decomposition, and food chains. Conclusion. Insects employ a variety of strategies to survive the winter, including diapause, behavioral adaptations, physical changes, and interactions with their environment. These survival techniques are essential for maintaining insect populations and ensuring their continued presence in ecosystems. Understanding these adaptations provides valuable insights into the resilience and versatility of insects in the face of seasonal challenges.